चलो आ जाओ, आज तुम्हें दिल ही बनाना सिखाता हूँ। देखो कैसे बनता है। फर्स्ट यू सेलेक्ट द दिल क्लास, देन वी राइट width 180 pixel, then we write height 180 pixel, then we write background color red, then we write transform property rotate 45 degree, then we select pseudo element for the div class for before and after, then we select content empty, then give the same width, height and background color like similar upper class, then we write position absolute, then write border radius 50%, and we also give the position to parent class relative, then we make left curvy part of the div. That's why we write div before, right left minus 100 pixel, and also write for the right curvy part div dot after top minus 100 pixel. Now we add the animations to our heart. That's why we write the property animation in parent class, give its name CK, and write its 1 second duration. And after that we'll write linear infinite, then we write @keyframes, then write CK, name of the animation, then we write 0% scale property for the zooming, it will give 0.8, and also give to 50 and 100%. For the 50 we write scale 0.7, and for 100% we write 0.6.